Hey guys! Happy Sunday! So for today's video, magluluto tayo ng chicken curry. So kahapon, nagluto tayo ng tinola. Again, chicken ulit today, but chicken curry. So we have the main ingredients, chicken. I have my own version of chicken curry. So meron din tayong string beans and kalabasa, pampalinaw ng mata. And meron din tayong carrots and potato. And siyempre, hindi mawawala ang onions, garlic, and chili. Meron tayong black pepper and turmeric. Meron tayong chicken Knorr cube. And of course, tagata. Okay, so isa-isahin na natin. Simulan na natin. Let's start with the garlic first. So, as you can see, napakalaki na lutuan for today. And then, let's proceed with the onions. And then next natin yung chicken. I-mix natin dito. So, i-next na natin to, kalabasa and sitaw. And then, the potato, carrots and potato. And the chicken cubes. This one. So, and the exciting part, we'll put the gata. Turmeric and uy, grabe. And finally guys, our chicken curry. So yan, magulay siya na chicken curry. Magulay siya, sobrang sustansya. Kita niyo naman oh, yan, magulay. Bongga. Oh, back. Bye!